Hi everyone, today we're talking about my new Spec stock. I talked about that I invested recently in Aurora Cannabis, which was a Spec stock in the weed sector. And now I've invested into a Chinese company that's a speculation stock. If you don't know, basically a Spec stock to me is a stock that's under $20, and this Spec stock makes about 1% of my portfolio, so not much at all. The reason why I get into them is just, it's a bit of a risk reward thing. You know, it's 1% I'm not worried about if I make money, if I lose money. I'm not too fussed about it. It's just a company that I feel like that could have a lot of potential, and if it does work out, it could explode quite a bit. Now, this company is called Bilibili, and this is a company that was a lot cheaper. It went up 10% the day after I bought it, so it was down towards like $11 mark when I invested into it. It also is on the Nasdaq, and it is quite low on its 52-week range. The company pretty much is, it provides entertainment, so it covers, you know, videos, live broadcasting and mobile games. And the reason why obviously I got into the stock is that because it was at a cheap price. It was under my $20 mark, which I always say I get into the companies under $20. But a couple of analysts do cover it, and they believe that the forecast on this company could grow up quite a bit. We've got highs of $20 that's predicted. But the reason why I got into it is the potential that they're growing at. This company hit a lot of problems when recently it had a mobile app in China, and basically the mobile app got pulled because there was a couple of faults with it, and that pretty much moved the share price back down. But when you look at the company itself, it is actually quite close to actually making profit now. It's expected to make profit towards the end of the year, which is good. You know, you look at 2017, 2018, 2019 on earnings per share, we've got a nice big growth on it. The revenue growth is growing at 51% annually, which is good. The only thing that really put me off is when you look at the revenue growth, the sales. This year is predicted to make just over 1 million, which is pretty rubbish, to be fair. When you think about it, I was a bit like, you know, I'm paying, you know, towards $11 a share for a company that's only making 1 million. It's not very good, but like I say, it's just the potential for growth in the stock. And when it's 1% of your portfolio and it's a spec stock, you know, with spec stocks you got to be prepared to lose all your money. And for this 1%, I am just to have this growth from this company, which could be really good going forward. So yeah, I am pretty happy with this investment. I kind of wanted to have two like speculation stocks. And like I said, from the last video, I invested into Aurora Cannabis and I got into this Bilibili stock, which I think will both cover each other nicely, and we'll see what happens with them. I don't know if I'll do too much updating about it on the channel because I'm not going to be putting it into my portfolio reviews. I'm not going to count it anywhere towards that. But I might not make loads of videos about it. So from now you might not hear about it too much, but I'll try cover it from now and then. But I thought I'd share that with you. It's a company just to check out if you're looking for a spec stock. I've been looking one for a while because I haven't been in a spec stock for a long time, and I was pretty happy to pick up this one. I've been watching it for 2 months or 3 months. I said on this channel, I think about a month ago, that I said I am tracking one spec stock to invest in, and I did invest in it eventually, and I actually picked up 2, which I wasn't planning to do, but there we are. So guys, give it a like, subscribe. Thanks for the support recently, it's been really good, and I'll see you on the next video.